Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be recapping the month of September regarding online income, and I'm just going to go ahead and write down all of the income sources, which this is pretty cool because somehow my September online income report is going to be next to my August one, so we can really, you know, like compare and see what all is going on. So let me just finish this, I guess, and then we will jump into it. Okay, so last month from YouTube I made $14.46. This month I made $12.49. Last month from Chime I made $2.20. This month I made $1.50. And if you are wondering like what the heck I'm talking about, oftentimes, probably like every other month, I go really into detail. I know that I definitely went into detail for August and also for July. So I will try to link those videos up here so you can just easily access them. I'm just not in the spirit of talking about all of these today because a lot of them are self-explanatory. So for ShareASale last month, looks like I made no money. This month I made $95.20. But I will tell you, ShareASale, AWin, MagicLinks, and Amazon are all very similar in that I link a product, you guys purchase through the link, and I earn a commission. So last month from coaching I made $0. This month I made $57.96, which my goal was to have 2 coaching sessions, and actually that is the case. It's just my second coaching. So a lot of this money, like if I normally, like it kind of rolls over into the new month. So my next coaching session, like the payment will actually be in October. So anywho, that oftentimes happens. So from Amazon last month, I made $974.53. This month I made $163.87. Last month from Etsy, I made $1219.45. This month I made $1302.53. And I don't know. We'll have to see the next couple of months, see how my Etsy does. If it continues to do the same, then we will know that it's pretty much, it has decreased since I opened my shop in November. I don't really stress about anything like that. I don't really care. I know a lot of people will ask me like, you know, if I care or, you know, do I think people are stealing my ideas and this and that and the third. And I don't really trip about that because I feel like as an example, my Etsy may be down but for this month, but like for October I don't know what it's going to be, but my YouTube is going to be like way more than what it normally is, or my workshop income or my speaking engagement income is up. So it kind of like all balances out, so I don't really trip about it, I guess. And the less that I'm doing Etsy, the more that I can do other things, and I'm okay with Etsy being low because I was in a position where I was going to have no choice but to hire an assistant, which I didn't really want to do. I want to run my own Etsy shop entirely, and I can manage it right now. If it were back up to like $3,000 a month, I wouldn't really be able to manage it. So also there are a lot of people selling the product that I sell at this current time, and I don't really trip about that because I don't really care about that kind of stuff. I really don't. Like, there are things that I care about, what people are doing in their spare time, and if their product looks like mine, I don't really care about it because in this space, everybody's product kind of looks like everybody's product. So, I mean, if it was like a major product that I created and somebody copied it, I might, you know, be bent out of whack about that, but I don't really care about Etsy because I don't really care. So, for my blog, I made $0, obviously. For Awin, I made $0, obviously. For MagicLinks, I made $0, obviously. My goal in 2020 is to make some money from MagicLinks and Awin. MagicLinks in particular, and I'm going to do just that. Paid promotion. I did line up one for September, negotiating another, but I was not able to do the video when they sent me the product. Excuse me. So, because I was out of town doing the retreat, so I'm not going to be able to do the video until October, so that's when I will receive payment. So I did line up something for September, but I haven't been paid the money, so that's going to be $0, and this is going to be $0 as well. From Affiliately, though, I earned $12.88, which was my first time earning money. And then from workshops, so for a workshop that I have in October, I earned $7.50. And then for referrals from Erin Condren, last month I earned $110, and this month I earned $3.50. This is the only source that is not actually income. It's actually like referral credits, but I often use that stuff for giveaways and whatnot. So I do eventually end up counting it as income, like in my head, although it's not actual income. Okay, let's add up this 1, 2, 4, 9, and my voice is horrible. I'm sorry, but if I waited until I liked my voice, we would be a long time trying to film this video. So I earn technically online 413232, provided my math was correct. So as you can see, even though it was down in some areas, it technically still ended up being better than August, but probably not better than July. That would be my guess, that it's not too far from July, actually. So anyway, just wanted to pop on here, do this really quickly. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.